As a fleet manager, taking care of your assets and drivers is tough. You didn't get into fleet management to deal with piles of paper and spreadsheets, not to mention the local DOT office. With Whiparound and Geotab together, it's never been so easy, fast, and fun to run the world's best fleet. Whiparound is online fleet inspection and maintenance software with all the tools you need to manage compliance and maintenance across your fleet. Geotab is a global leader in telematics, providing fleet management solutions to businesses of all sizes. Connect the two together to simplify your DOT compliance process and streamline your fleet maintenance. In Whiparound, build powerful DVIR forms with features such as last inspection, driver sign-off, and mechanics fault correction certification to ensure compliance across your fleet and drivers. Your daily inspection reports, faults, service schedules, and vehicle details automatically sync from Whiparound to Geotab. No more manual data entry or paper sheets to stay on top of your fleet inspections and maintenance. In Geotab, see all your vehicle and driver information in one place and use it to make quicker, better informed decisions for your fleet. Because Geotab connects straight to your vehicles, you can easily keep track of engine faults and view and manage them in the Whiparound Faults module. Run your fleet better with fleet inspection and maintenance software that's made for commercial vehicle operations. Sign up for a Whiparound trial and connect your Geotab fleet in a few simple steps. Run your fleet in the cloud with Whiparound and Geotab today.